Bro, let me be real with you for a second. Most guys don't actually fear intimacy. What they fear, that 10.088 seconds moment, that gut-punching, soul-crushing second, when you make your move and she goes cold, she pulls back, the vibe 0.116 seconds dies, and suddenly you're standing there feeling like an absolute fool. But what if I told you that never has to happen, 0.2424 seconds again? What if there was a way backed by real psychology to lead a woman toward intimacy where she feels zero pressure, 0.333 seconds, zero awkwardness? And the answer comes from her. Not manipulation, not tricks, 0.3939 seconds, not desperate lines from some pickup forum, pure emotional psychology. And today I'm handing it to you straight. 0.4848 seconds. Stay locked in because what you're about to hear, most men will never figure this out on their own. Here's the thing. Most 0.5555 seconds guys get completely wrong. Women don't reject intimacy. They reject the feeling that comes with it. Read that again. If 1.051 minute 5 seconds, the emotional experience around you feels off, too pushy, too nervous, too desperate, her answer is no every time. 1.131 minute 13 seconds without exception. But if the emotional experience feels safe, electric, and natural, she doesn't just say yes, she leads you there herself. 1.251 minute 25 seconds. That's the whole game, bro. And once you understand that, everything changes. 1.311 minute, 31 seconds. Now, let's get into the actual psychology, because this is where it gets real. All right, real talk. Every guy, 1,381 minute, 38 seconds, who's been rejected for intimacy, made at least one of these mistakes. He asked too directly. He asked too soon. He came 1,481 minute, 48 seconds with nervous energy. Or he skipped building emotional tension altogether. 1.541 minute, 54 seconds. He is the brutal truth. Women don't decide intimacy with their brain. They decide with their feelings. The second, 2,022 minutes, 2 seconds, she feels safe, understood, desired, but not pressured, the door opens by itself. 2,082 minutes, 8 seconds. Think about it like this. You ever been in a store just browsing, feeling good? 142 minutes, 14 seconds, and then some pushy salesman gets in your face? What happened? You walked out, right? Even if you wanted to buy 2.222 minutes, 22 seconds, same thing happens with intimacy. The moment a man asks directly, want to come back to my 2.292 minutes, 29 seconds place, he's created a transaction. And transactions kill desire. But when you create an emotional invitation, you're not talking to her conscious mind. 2.412 minutes, 41 seconds, you're speaking to something deeper. And that's where desire lives. You real quick, if this is already hitting 2.482 minutes, 48 seconds different, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. I drop this kind of real psychology every week. And 2.572 minutes, 57 seconds. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next in this video. All right, 3.023 minutes, 2 seconds, let's keep going. Here's what nobody tells you. Before a woman says yes to anything intimate, 3 internal switches have to flip on. Switch 1, 133 minutes, 13 seconds safety. Not safety like she's known you for years. Safety like she knows you won't judge her, pressure her, or make 3,213 minutes, 21 seconds, her feel stupid for being there with you. You create this through one thing, 3,263 minutes, 26 seconds, emotional stillness. When you're calm and grounded, she relaxes. Switch 2, 333 minutes, 33 seconds, trust. Trust isn't built with words. 363 minutes, 36 seconds, bro. It's built when your actions match your words. When you say you're not rushing anything, and then you actually 433 minutes, 43 seconds, don't rush. Trust locks in, and trust is the foundation. Everything else is built on. Switch 3, anticipation. 3,543 minutes, 54 seconds. This is the secret weapon. Anticipation is that electric buildup. 404 minutes, that tension between what is and what could be. It's not created by being aggressive. It's created by restraint. 84 minutes, 8 seconds by suggestion, by the space between moments. Most guys focus on being funny. 4,154 minutes, 15 seconds, confident, impressive, all good. But they skip these three switches, and then they wonder why nothing converts. 4,244 minutes, 24 seconds. Now you know why this one is smooth. Pay close attention. Instead of leaning into her, you gently lean back. Not cold, not 4,334 minutes, 33 seconds rude, just relaxed, unbothered, like a man who's completely comfortable. 4.394 minutes, 39 seconds. Whether this goes further or not, what does that do? It removes pressure instantly. And in that absence of 4.474 minutes, 47 seconds pressure, her desire wakes up. Picture this. You're sitting close. The chemistry is there. The conversation is. 4,564 minutes, 56 seconds flowing. Most guys at this point start pushing. They move closer. They touch more. They go for it. And she pulls back. Not because she's not interested. 5,085 minutes, 8 seconds, because the energy felt like pressure. 5,115 minutes, 11 seconds. Now flip it. Same moment, same chemistry, but instead of leaning in, you lean back just slightly. You pause. 5,195 minutes, 19 seconds. You look away for a second. You give the moment room to breathe. What happens in her head? Wait, why did he pull back? 5,285 minutes, 28 seconds. Does he not want this? And without even realizing it, she starts leaning in. She closes the distance. She initiates. 5,385 minutes, 38 seconds. That's not a game. That's emotional intelligence. And it works every single time. Yo, hold up. If you're learning 5,465 minutes, 46 seconds right now, do me a solid and hit subscribe. We're only halfway through. 5,515 minutes, 51 seconds. And the next techniques, they go even deeper. Don't sleep on this channel for real. All right, back to it. This one is 6,6 minutes, subtle, psychological, and dangerously effective. You don't ask for intimacy. 6,066 minutes, 6 seconds, you don't hint at it. You simply say something that makes her start thinking about it. Phrases like, I really like 6,146 minutes, 14 seconds, the energy between us right now. You're surprisingly easy to be close to. 6,196 minutes, 19 seconds. There's something about the way you carry yourself. It just feels natural. 6,246 minutes, 24 seconds. None of those ask for anything. None of those push, but every single one plants a seed. Here's the psychology behind it. 6,346 minutes, 34 seconds. When you say, I really like the energy between us, you're not introducing a new idea. You're putting words to 6,426 minutes, 42 seconds, something she's already feeling, but hasn't said out loud yet. And the moment you articulate her own feelings back to 6,496 minutes, 49 seconds, sure, she thinks, yes, that's exactly it. That's what I'm feeling. That's alignment. And alignment is magnetic. 6,596 minutes, 59 seconds. There's also a concept called priming. 7.0017 minutes, 1 second. When you casually use words like closeness, natural, energy, connection, 7,077 minutes, 7 seconds, those words start coloring how she sees the moment. She's not being manipulated. She's being guided toward awareness. 7,167 minutes, 16 seconds, and awareness is what turns a good conversation into something unforgettable. 7.217 minutes, 21 seconds. This might be the most important thing in this entire video. If you ask for a yes, you risk a no. If you ask for a feeling, you invite vulnerability. 7.327 minutes, 32 seconds. Instead of, do you want to, you say, does this feel too fast for you? Or do you feel comfortable here with me? See what 7.417 minutes, 41 seconds just happened? You didn't ask her to accept or reject you. You asked her to check in with herself. And that's a 7.497 minutes, 49 seconds. Completely different question. One she can actually answer honestly. And here's the beautiful part. If she says maybe a little, you haven't been rejected. 8:08 minutes, you've been given information. You respond with, That's totally fine. I'm not trying to rush anything. I'm 88 minutes, 8 seconds, genuinely just enjoying being here with you. Now she feels heard, respected. 138 minutes, 13 seconds, safe, and 9 times out of 10, within minutes, she's the one escalating because you removed every ounce of 18 minutes, 21 seconds pressure. And in that open space, desire does what it naturally does. It moves. 288 minutes, 28 seconds. Here's what almost zero men understand. 318 minutes, 31 seconds. A woman doesn't decide intimacy based on how much you want her. She decides based on how much she feels you want her. 398 minutes, 39 seconds, without you losing your cool. Too much desire, pressure, she shuts down. Too little desire, disinterest. 478 minutes, 47 seconds, she moves on. Balanced desire, that's where attraction lives. So when she leans closer, you lean closer. Not more. 578 minutes, 57 seconds, not less. When she holds eye contact, 9 minutes, you hold it back. When she laughs and touches your arm, you match that warmth. This creates a dance, and in that dance, 109 minutes, 10 seconds, intimacy escalates by itself. Nobody has to ask, nobody has to push. It just 169 minutes, 16 seconds happens. This is mirroring, and it's hardwired into human psychology from day one. When a woman shows desire and you 259 minutes, 25 seconds match it exactly, she feels understood at a level words can't even touch. 319 minutes, 31 seconds, that's connection, and connection is everything. All right, bro, here's your final move, and this one is clean. 409 minutes, 40 seconds. Instead of asking for intimacy, you simply acknowledge the moment out loud. 469 minutes, 46 seconds. This feels really nice. It's wild how comfortable this feels. You've got this really calm energy. I like it. You see 9,559 minutes, 55 seconds? What you just did? You're not the one wanting something. The moment is creating the desire. You stepped out of 10 minutes, 2 seconds, the equation, and let the atmosphere do the work. Women follow emotion, and emotion lives in the moment, not in a 10 minutes, 10 seconds question, not in a request. When you name the moment, you create a shared experience. It's not you wanting her. 10 minutes, 19 seconds. It's both of you experiencing something together. And that shared experience, that's the foundation of real intimacy. 10 minutes, 27 seconds. No pressure, no awkwardness, no rejection. Just two people following something that already feels undeniably 10 minutes, 35 seconds right. Yo, if this video genuinely shifted something for you, if it changed how you see women, attraction, intimacy, 10 minutes, 44 seconds, then don't just bounce. Hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me which technique hit hardest for you. I 10 minutes, 52 seconds, actually read those. And if you haven't subscribed yet, bro, what are you waiting for? This channel is where real 10 minutes, 59 seconds psychology meets real life. No fluff, no fake guru stuff, just the truth. Hit 11:06 minutes, 6 seconds subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video, it goes even deeper than this one. And trust me, 11:11 minutes, 14 seconds, you'll want to be here for it. I'll see you in the next one. Staka.